Hey, I'm Brian Van.
I'm Max Van.
And today we're going to break down the all-new Alpinestars GP-R7 Tech Air compatible race suit. Okay, the all-new Alpinestars GP-R7 suit retails for $13.49 as of the time we're shooting this video. Please understand, we don't update videos or pricing changes, only when the product itself has been completely redesigned. This suit is Tech Air compatible. If you have a Tech Air 10, you can use it. If you have a Tech Air 5, you can use it. Now, if you want to buy the all-new Tech Air 7X, it directly integrates installing behind the removable liner of the suit. Having ridden in the Alpinestars Racing Absolute, he's raced in that one too. The right way to install that
It's a way to go.
is behind the liner, 100%. Exactly. So we would recommend, if you're going to go airbag compatible, get that Tech Air 7X and install it behind the liner in this suit. You're going to love that decision. Let's talk about sizing.
I am wearing a 50 euro. I'm 5'11", 160 pounds, 65 pounds. Sorry about that. And as you can see, it fits really nice. It's definitely a little long on the limbs, which I like. It fits a little big in the back right now, and you may be asking why I don't have a back protector nor an airbag underneath the suit.
Would you be able to get the Tech Air in there?
I would be able to get the Tech Air 7 in there, yes.
So he would be able to ride, and he also likes his suits to be pretty form-fitting.
Yeah.
So he would be able to ride in this suit using that Tech Air Tech Air 7X. If you know that you like more operating room and you're similar to size with Max, and you know you want more operating room and you're going to use an airbag, it probably would be a good decision to go up one size to a 52. I would put Max right at the top end of the size scale for a size 50 euro. This suit has some pretty cool technology built into it, right?
Sure does.
And an epic amount of perforation. Thank you, Jesus.
Yeah.
Alpinestars has paid attention. They've listened.
A lot of perforation.
Look at all the holes, man.
Yeah.
Like, that is going to flow air
like crazy.
Like crazy. The leg, fully perfed. The entire torso. Segmented perforation here in the arms.
Might sound bad, but your balls also pretty perfect.
Nobody cares about that. Back of the suit. Perforated race hump. That race hump that's underneath there is also perforated, so this is an opportunity for heat energy to exchange in and out back there. Stretch fabric around the neck. That'll flow air freely. Lots of perf here on the sides. Massive motion panels. This allows the suit to move on you like a second skin. We've got an expansion panel built in here in the suit, right? You're a little bigger in the calves, just kind of stretches with you.
Yeah.
No problem.
That's nice.
Armor that's included with the race suit. It has CE level 1 armor in the hips. We're going to show you all this in detail in the second part of this video. We get the suit off Max, take it apart, give you a closer look. And then it has their all new CE level 2 plasma armor in the shoulders, elbows, forearms, large coverage area
there too,
and knee and shin. All of these areas are also bolstered by their external sliders and protection. These are replaceable. Knee pucks are replaceable, and then the knee cup. So tons of protection built in. A great compliment to this suit is that Tech Air 7X. I just got to keep banging on that gong because it's important. New here, termination in the cuff. This is like some synthetic leather material, right? There's some comfort fabric behind it. The reason they did that is it's still very abrasion and tear resistant, but it's not very bulky. So you go to put your glove over it.
It's pretty loose.
It's pretty loose. You have more dexterity in that area of the wrist, which is super important. How do you control your motorcycle? You control it mostly with your hands.
Yeah.
The harder it is to move there, the harder it is to ride the bike. So I think what they did there, that was a nice little upgrade. People are going to love that. Here in the knee area, right on the inside, there's a patch that is kind of a grippy overlay.
So let's say you have grip tank on your bike, or if you don't have grip tank, this is still going to help you grip to the tank. It's pretty
100%.
Pretty legit. It's another layer of, I guess, it's not going to wear through as much. So it's definitely a good idea.
Some of the grip pads, like the Stomp Grip stuff, can be a little tough on suits.
Yeah, for sure.
You know, that will probably wear a little bit nicer. Plus, it's going to grab more. The less energy you have to use to move around and hold yourself on the bike, the more energy you can apply towards moving forward and riding faster. That's a nice little upgrade. Here is the pocket. If you're going to use the GP-R7, you can put that LED panel in there. GP-R10, my bad. Also, you corrected me, so we're good. If you're going to use the GP-R7X, I haven't seen it yet, but there's allegedly some upgrade harness that you can use to plug in the LED panel. You'd have to buy the harness separately and pop it in there. But with that 7, there's right on the belt, you can see the status lights, right?
Yeah.
So
yeah, no doubt about it.
I don't know that is a worthwhile upgrade. I'd probably suggest saving your money there. Another thing that's worth noting, if you want to just turn sideways, the shape of the hump, right? They've strategically changed the shape of some of these race humps to better work with their own helmets that have that giant spoiler on it. I rode in my Racing Absolute. I didn't notice any interference. I mean, they're billing that as a change with the suits and some of the jackets and stuff. I mean, it's worth mentioning at least. Fully removable liner. It can accept the chest inserts if you want to add the chest armor to the suit, right? You can do that. It's good. There's some great back protectors if you don't want to ride in an airbag. Alpinestars, a great complement of back protectors. We just reviewed one of them very recently here in the last couple of weeks. That would be a great addition to that. It's actually what Max is using in his suit. He's got one of the...
I use a KRR cell.
Yeah, it's a nice...
180, 190 bucks.
Yeah. You also have an airbag, of course.
Of course. Yeah. Yeah, it's a good suit, and I'm very happy about it. I mean, for... $13.50. I mean, for $1,300 US, it's a good deal, man. It's a badass suit. It's got a ton of protection, ton of perforation. Honestly, the perfect track day suit out there if you're looking for no airbag
or racing suit. You can go race in Moto America with this thing, dude. Not a problem.
Dude. Yeah, we're good.
It's got everything that
Looks
you would
sick.
possibly need. It looks great. Yeah, I mean, it's protected for sure. If you have more questions, you like what you see so far, stay tuned for the second part of this video. We're going to get the suit off Max, take it apart, and give you a closer look from the inside out. All right, here we go. The all-new Alpinestars GP-R7 race suit from the inside out. We've got a lot of new stuff going on here with this suit, like we talked about in the first part of the video. Now we're going to give you a closer look at all these items. The armor that this thing comes with, this is a real upgrade here, right? A lot of people have been talking about the CE Level 2 stuff, and there's a bunch of it included. The hip armor, large coverage areas, their BioFlex armor, right? This is only a level 1. It's the only level 1 piece in the suit. You're going to find this on the left and the right side. They've designed this in such a way where you get a lot of coverage without having it interfere with the comfort and mobility of the suit. All new plasma CE Level 2 armor can be found in the elbow, forearm, knee, shin, and shoulder area. Moldable, flexible, comfortable, ventilated, right? And certified to the level 2 for riders out there that are interested in seeing the improvement, right? Because it does manage impact better, right? So why not? Here is the knee and shin piece. This is all proprietary Alpinestars stuff. Here's your shoulder piece, and note the profile. This thing's pretty large. You got a lot of coverage area there. Of course, replaceable knee pucks are included with the suit. Removable liner, and this liner uses the attachment method where the legs zip in, right? It's like basically like about mid-thigh, right? Zips into the suit, and then the liner for the lower portion of the leg is all built into the suit and is non-removable. Your hip armor slides into a little pocket right here. There's an opening on the back side. You can see the pass-throughs for the suspender system. Pass-throughs for the Tech Air system. This suit is capable of working with the Tech Air 5, the Tech Air 10, or the all-new Tech Air 7X. With the Tech Air 7X, you can integrate behind the liner like you could with the Alpinestars Racing Absolute. That's a suit that I still have and Max has raced in previously. Having the airbag behind the liner is a game changer in terms of fit and mobility. Offering that in a $1,350 suit, I think, is a great upgrade that many riders are really going to appreciate. Focusing on the shell of the suit itself. Tons of perforation with this thing. That's I'd love to see that. Large motion panels. See all the perf here in the arm. Fully perforated race hump. Perforation down here, down the sides of the back. Cool screen printing on the legs. It looks great. The styling of the suit is fantastic. Front of the suit, fully perfed panels. All the stretch fabric is going to flow air. Exterior shoulder cup, replaceable elbow slider. Here's the pocket if you want to run the Tech Air 10. It has the LED panel. You can slide that in there if you want to get the optional Tech Air 7X LED panel, right? Just so you have visibility without using your phone of whether or not the system is active, right? You can get that harness. You can also see that obviously on the front of the Tech Air 7X, so I don't know that you really need to add that harness. Leg of the suit, integrated knee cup, replaceable knee slider. Love all the screen printing here. Fully perforated lower legs. Kevlar reinforcement here. We should also note there's Kevlar reinforcements at some of those really vulnerable seams there in the forearm area. The way they finished the cuff of the sleeve is also interesting. That's like a kind of like a bonded leather panel almost. It's a lot thinner, so you lose a lot of bulk in that critical wrist area where you want to keep that dexterity. You don't want to interfere with the gloves. I like what they did there. I think that's a sweet little innovation for sure. On the inside of the knee, you've got a grip panel that is going to interact with the tank and or the bodywork on the motorcycle. It's just going to help you hold on a little bit easier, burn a little bit less energy to hold on to the bike, makes it easier to control it. Inside the suit, here are the attachment zips for the Tech Air 7X. That's pretty sweet. If you want to install the chest armor, here are the pockets, Velcro on either side. Here's your suspender system. I have it detached. There's a loop down here at the very bottom that's stitched into the suit. You know, the suspender system, I don't know. Personally, when I look at this, and I've worn a lot of race suits over the years, I don't know. I mean, I don't know that that's something that a lot of people are going to use. I think that's going to be personal preference. You get it, you try it on. You see how that works for you. Do you like it? Do you hate it? What do you want to do with it? If you don't want to use it, all you have to do is just go ahead and undo the Velcro down here on the bottom. You can come up in here, right? And you could just grab a pair of scissors and just trim that right off if that's something that you find that you don't want to use. Here's your Velcro attachment point for your Tech Air 7X. There's for the sleeve, right? Kind of pull the sleeve out a little bit. There's the other patch right there. They've got that one covered up. Integrating that behind the liner, I just want to hit this one more time. It is a game changer in terms of fit and mobility. You put it behind there, the thing becomes completely invisible, right? It makes it so much easier to wear. I love that they put that into this $1,350 suit. You want to have a look inside there. There is that fully perforated race hump. It's all hollowed out. That's there to encourage air exchange both in and out to help keep the rider as cool and comfortable as possible. And then from there you have all the other things we typically see. You know, you've got your safety seams. You got a double layer here in the seat. That's called the drop seat. You know, you don't affix the one layer to the outer layer. That way it's just more comfortable. It can move around on top of the other one. Reduces bulk. Accordion panel down here in the lower leg area. I gotta tell you, I really like what I see here. I like that we're integrating again with the Tech Air system where it zips into the suit. I think that's really, at the end of the day, the best way to do it. Behind the liner is bar none the best. If you have a Tech Air 10 already, you can use it with this suit. If you have a Tech Air 5 already, you can also use it with this suit. Or you can scoop up the all-new 7X. We sold quite a few of those. The production is beyond, it's, you know, on the short side of the demand. Unfortunately, it's been that way for a while. But if you're fortunate enough to have purchased one of those, it's going to work great with this suit. You're going to have yourself a hell of a combo. at a rather reasonable price. If you have any comments, questions, leave those in the comment section of this video. Remember, I'm always here to help you choose the right gear for your next ride.